Most of the parents' friends do their very best that they can for their children. Yet many times they are not very happy with what turns out, with how they may have behaved or how their kids may have turned out the way they expected. Now, parenting journey, friends, is a journey of a lot of self-awareness. All parenting mistakes, as they say, they are not because of lack of love. Every parent loves their children, but it is because of lack of awareness. A loving, doting father of this 5-year-old said, "I'm never going to be like my father." His father used to be very angry. He used to come and he used to hit his children, be very, very violent. And what would end up happening is that this child, now this son, who is now the father, when he is there with his daughter and he is very loving, but suddenly some behavior of his daughter brings out this anger and he ends up behaving exactly like his father, and then he regrets it. This changed, friends, as he healed this, as he healed his inner child and his relationship with his father. We cannot really, just by deciding consciously, somewhere these things are there in the subconscious, we just come out in the moment of stress. So we have to heal at a deeper level. In the 2-day workshop on parenting, we are going to really work on this. We are going to look deeper into this. We are going to understand the principles of parenting, conscious parenting, and also principles of mirroring. How your child may actually mirror to you those aspects of you that you need to see, you need to heal. If your child is being needy and that is triggering you, for example, then this child will actually be mirroring to you your needs which are not met with. In this way, in many different ways, your child is going to be the mirror, and this is the deeper work that is done in this workshop. What awaits on the other side is not only a stronger, more understanding bond with your child, even if your child is much, much older, is not a child anymore, but also a self-growth through the parenting journey.